na yɛde Mitilinos for abɛkyia Otumfuo ɔhwɛ Ghana yɛ constitution no a obi ni asase ɔno na ɛwɔ asase yɛ ama ne aframa amɛkyia na afei so nyinama medi nkɔmmɔ ɛfa adwumakuo no a yɛfrɛ Mitilinos no a sɛbi na yɛanyɛ ne yie nti yɛba wia no pɛyɛ a yɛde ba abɛkyia Otumfuo ɛyɛ Mitilinos na ɛbaeɛ no ama ɔka wɔ ho deɛ nso ɔyɛ consular general ɛwɔ Greece ɛne Cyprus but ɔka wɔ ho
Administrative Director of Mitilinos Metallurgy Sector.
I'm Ioannis Theodorakopoulos. I'm part of the Strategy and M&A Department of Mitilinos, and I'm working in the mining sector.
I am George Bellaris. I am the Financial Controller of Mitilinos in Ghana.
Marley Asempa, the Mitilinos from the Ghana, may your more questions.
Dr. Maria Panta, I'm a professor of architecture at the Economic Program University of Science and Technology here in Kumasi, and I advise project on heritage and culture.
Yonana, Chairman, Patronento, and I say, and they have a high in Kitabone. A Juma or the share, GIADEC in Saxe, and one a Yikusua, ye. A year bauxite, Mujuma, ye, or Ghana. Bauxite, ye name him said, if he has a mining by 1940s, I was only a day. Chibi Subio, Nanina Hinde, and I can say, ah. The dear Jume shake here the Kesa. You know, not be deep down. No, my Aquina say Yanko. Near cautious and you better organized with the Najumedin, yet to me, Efiasi. The Queen of Wine, sir, Aquinian. You got to share near me now to talk near my bebe. I projects say Yefiasi Dicunjuma. And Cherry Bree, Yene, Rockshore International. Eba Nanaha. Yebekan. Bauxite, Ayenya, there were 3 hills when you in. Russia, the year of partner, 2021 September. Now, 26 January 2024, President, His Excellency Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo, unveiled a new partner. Mitilinos SA. Mitilinos is so one year Greek company. One year power, name metallurgy, aluminium, in Europe, we are one of the leading companies for aluminium, the bauxite. It's anyone kasa, che kakra. It's whom come as a partner, GIADEC. It's a selected one, and a year inaugurated one, 26 January. Nansan ever be BBR, he has ever been here. Nana. Abedin Kuta. Yasreno. Nakonya. Yasreno direction. Any advisor or the Bemaya. And send it to me up to feet, educated PRC. It's in a buyer. Yabasi be introduced Mitilinos. Say one year GIADEC partner. GIADEC and Shesheno, bauxite, alumina, BIA or hand. Your far partner, GIADEC, was shares on behalf of government of Ghana. And your partners who was shares. It's a Bibiana, your design in the fias. It's make us say, Omba share bauxite at a walk, hills 7, 8, 9, and 10. You were in the Hindi Pasasu area. That's our hills on your year prospecting in year Jog International Standard. It's the first time I ever this age man near whom bauxite at a walk. And some year send your bear, ye the big junior. Inti in Fiaseno and no will be doing you. Send your rocks or you buy the better chess. It's a young pair or chinanso. Ye beco near to go afraid at him for then your mouthful. Na send a number yes, Alcunyana, anyone sweaty, come up at Chewo, near my baby. And send you say, in a year, Juma, Najumedino, a cost of a pepe. It's in a buyer, ye basse, ye desire. I said, beto na nani, na yaje, na quantity, and me opposite here. I'm say mental na say me chechi no. Nyine no. 10 hills in a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. In a 7, 8, 9, 10. It's a children son. It's your block A hills 1, 2, 3. Your block B 4, 5, 6. Your block C 7, 8, 9, and 10. Into your bahano Rockshore International, Juma Udini hills 4, 5, and 6. Into net Jumedi a year came. Block C or Yinehim Pasaso. Hills 7, 8, 9, and 10. Za Jumedino in a GIADEC ne Metilinus Ibabe 4, 5, 6 no GIADEC ne Rockshore International. In a 1, 2, 3 ye kosu din Juma. Into ya chemu yensa. Into third one block C and a yene Metilinus Edin Juma.
The first also kakra. And our Daruma 7, 8, 9, and 10. What bring for or no? As I said, me the Dinkano, I 3, 4, 5 no day. Name only a carrier penny 4, 5, 6 a carrier penny. But 7, 8, 9, 10 I bring for 4 dozen. You all sabi a form ho Sanya Oslo. Be a bank my henny, here henny. Tuasi ini ena friends ya achuma agogo ni ansana ofa egonkum so a eno so ya hene ohwa kopem friends say Tomi Abra ansana penin pa no wo no eye asaso man hene nko a aha
so ni no
do ase
otherwise what ni we nyina nti
yo eti womo eni abroponfo a ochine dwumedie no ye bese kwan na etimi eno makoti a kire se enfo a edo mo ba le ni because I'm not
Thank you for coming today. But,
Joe.
My sons here, GIADEC, have explained exactly what we are here for.
Joe.
Ghana has been looking for investors in relation to developing our bauxite.
Joe.
We've had these natural resources there, but we don't have the investment to do it.
Joe.
We have it.
Joe.
We've been looking to partner people who would also partner with GIADEC. That's the whole essence of government for forming GIADEC.
Joe.
Able to look around. So Michael and his team have been working assiduously to get investors to come in and partner.
Joe.
And I'm sure you've gone through what the government expects us to do, all through to the alumni and everything, setting up the refinery and everything.
Joe.
And once they're giving you a concession, you have to explore first to see whether how much deposit we have there. You know, the problem is that they are handicapped in trying to get the exploration to establish how much alumina, how much bauxite we have.
Joe.
And that's why we have you here to do it, and in joint partnership with them. So we expect that you be a good investor, and then the partnership will be more mutually beneficial to all of us.
Joe.
We expect you to do your part, the government will do its part, and the community will do its part.
Joe.
As of now, I know you have to establish whether it's a viable venture. That is the first step.
Joe.
And that's what they informed me about Rockshore. So they also went through before they established that yes, there was alumina and the bauxite deposit is there, and it's a viable investment to be able to do it. So we hope that in your exploration, you also come up with the same result for us to be sure that yes, the way forward is that we can exploit it to the benefit of yourself and then Ghana. So we welcome you, we'll give you all the support. I know GIADEC will be there to give you all the support. We look forward to a mutually beneficial partnership between us.
Joe.
Be open, ask whatever, if there are any issues for them. They've done it before and I know they can do it. And therefore we can all support each other to be able to do it. For you to have been chosen, I know they went through quite a lot of interviews and everything. And they decide on a company that is more acceptable and more financially sound, technically sound to be able to do it. So I'm sure they did all the checks to make sure that you are the company that can do it. This lady has been here for some time, so I know she's been working all through. So we welcome you.
Joe.
We look forward to a mutually beneficial partnership.
Joe.
But in him, I trust the GIADEC people that they've been doing a good job. So I believe strongly that they will give you all the technical support to be able to do it.
Joe.
So thank you. But do it. The next time I see you, there's a report you're holding to tell me that after the expiration, these are the deposits and it's a viable entity for us to do.
Joe.
So we thank you for coming today, and we look forward to seeing you soon.
Joe.
Aye.
Presentation.
Honorable citizens of the Kingdom, first of all, I would like to express my greatest gratitude for the warm welcome which is extended to the whole Mytilineos company. As Mytilineos has history and involvement in the energy sector of Ghana for many years, we have deepened our understanding for the local people and environment. So what can I say is that entering now the metal sector, we are guided by the same commitment for environmental sustainability and social responsibility. Our initiatives aim to empower local community, create job opportunity, and of course, empower the economic activity. But at the same time, we are dedicated into preserving this area natural beauty for the coming generation. So I would like to express and to extend once more my greatest gratitude for your welcome here. Thank you.
There is a symbolic threat of making the chairman of the Mytilineos, Mr. Mytilineos, wants to thank you personally because you have really stand next to the company in all times, and to ask your blessings. And with the symbolism, we are sending you actually a red that comes from the Macedonian kingdom, the one that is very, and because he wanted to be here and he hopes soon, he's sending you this note, okay, with his remarks and his thanks. Thank you, Your Honor, Majesty.